Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute and gorgeous greeting card for Teachers Day, which is made using this beautiful belly band pattern which you can move to open the card. And I have decorated this with beautiful intricate paper quilling design. And for my color palette I have used today black, white, yellow and grey. And this is looking absolutely English. So you can just slide the belly band like this. This is looking very pretty, and the card is having very unique technique to open. And also I have decorated the top using my hand painted pattern which I am going to share with you, and this is matching with my quilling pattern. And to open the card you just need to pull the top flap like this in top corner. And tada, you will have this cute corner pop-up opening card with the unique pattern. So in this way you can create card for any occasion like anniversaries, birthdays or also the Teachers Day. So I'm putting back the belly band quickly, and without any further delay let's start with the procedure. So here I'm taking white cardstock which is 16 by 21 centimeters, and from left side I have creased at 5 centimeters. Now rotating the sheet, and similarly from this left side I have creased at 5 centimeters. So we have to just fold the creased part like this. Now again from left side here I have marked at 10 centimeters, and on other side also I have marked at 10 centimeters, and we just need to join these two markings together and create the crease line. And we have to fold this crease part backward like this, and tada, your pop-up mechanism is ready in few seconds. Very easy. So you just need to push the top square like this to close the card. Very unique, very interactive, and a superb idea, isn't it? So the base card is ready. Now adding glue in this topmost corner square and adding one grey color cardstock on this which is 10 by 15.5 centimeters. Then on top of this I am adding one more cardstock of white color which is 9.5 by 15 centimeters. Now in the base I am adding one black color cardstock which measures 11.5 by 16.5 centimeters. So in this way we have our card base ready. Then here I have decided to create my own pattern paper. So to decorate the front cardstock, here I am using black paint on my paintbrush and creating small foliage pattern like this. Super easy. If you are not comfortable with brush, create these lines using black marker. Try to take 0.5 number black marker which is very thin. And after that on each tip I am adding the dot of yellow ochre paint using my ball tool. Then in the center I am adding dot of black paint. After that between each big line I am adding small lines using same black color, and on tip of these lines as well I am adding yellow ochre dots. And in this way our beautiful pattern paper is ready. Very delicate design. Now to create belly band, here I am taking 25 by 3.5 cm grey color cardstock, and I am just wrapping it around my card base like this. So just fold it according to your card size, and then I am joining both the ends together using glue. So the band is ready, just taking it out and burnishing it. Then I am decorating it using light brown color cardstock from top. And then I have this beautiful die cut out ready with me, which I have made using white and grey cardstock. So I am just decorating my belly band using these die cut out designs. If you don't have these kind of die cut out, you can just cut any oval shape on white cardstock and stick it in the center. Because anyways you are going to decorate this with paper quilling flowers, so it will not visible much. But just to give little more intricacy to the card, I am using here die cuts. And the belly band base is completely ready. Then I am just passing it through my card and just checking whether it is going perfectly or not, and yes, this is sliding smoothly like butter. And the card base with belly band is ready. Now it's time to create the quilling flowers. So for my first flower here I am taking half strip of white color and 1/4 strip of black color in 3 mm and making one Malaysian flower petal. Wrapping the petal using grey color strip. And the petal is ready. Now I am joining total 7 petals together to create the flower. Then to make the center of the flower, here I am taking 1 strip of yellow ochre color in 3 mm and making one tight coil, then sticking it on top of the flower in the center. And the beautiful flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more already. Then to create next flower, here I am taking golden yellow 3 mm strip, just creating 3 loops in increasing order like this. Then on left and right sides I am making 1 loop in little decreasing order, wrapping the petal using remaining strip. Cut the excess strip, secure the end using glue, and the petal is ready. And I am joining total 12 petals together to create the flower. Then in the center of the flower I am adding white color tight coil, which is made using 1.5 strip. And the beautiful flower is also ready. Then to create leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color in 3 mm and making one simple leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared already some more. Then to make scroll, here I am taking 3 strips of 1/6 size in sap green color. This is 3 mm strip. Gather all together, fold it from center and start rolling it from one corner to create the scroll. Secure the end using glue and the scroll is ready. With the similar method, I have already prepared some more scrolls. Then to make filler, here I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color, making one tight coil and just taking one dark brown color strip in smaller size. This is also 3 mm strip. Add little glue and in the center I am adding the tight coil. So the filler is ready. Similarly, I have prepared lots of fillers already. Now taking back my card, and in the center I am adding the sentiment Happy Teachers Day, which I have written on oval cardstock using my brush pen and black marker, and then on both the sides of this oval shape I am decorating with my quilling designs. So the beautiful decoration is completely done and our card is also ready. So you can simply slide this belly band and you can write the special message to your teacher, and you can just close the card like this. I am just loving the outcome so much. This is very interactive and very unique idea, as I have said before. So putting back the belly band and the beautiful card is also ready. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions, and let me know if you are creating this card. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.